diddly, go!
Come on then, Mukka.
Mukka is the quizzer, Mukka is the quizzer.
I'm ready. Are you ready, Dogsby?
Yes, I'm ready, Tiggs.
Well, okie dokie, diddly pokey then. Let's go! I want to see ears. I want to see eyes.
Eyes.
I want to see mouth.
Mouth.
And I want to see brains.
But his brain's there.
It's eyes and ears and mouth and brain. Join in with us. Zap! Eyes and ears and mouth and brain are what you need to play the game. Eyes
For looking,
ears
for listening,
mouth
for talking,
brain
for thinking.
Eyes and ears and mouth and brain are what you need to play the game. Oh, time for the shiny. There's my shiny box.
Oh, good grief.
There are the shinies.
Oh, shinies.
Okie dokie, diddly pokey. Hope you've got your shinies too. Let's play the shiny show. Zap! A life on the ocean wave in a boat. Because today is boats and fishing. Yeah! Come on. Round
One.
Oh, I love boats.
So do I.
So do I. Well, let's go. Now, watch carefully because you don't know what I'm going to ask. Right. Zap!
Ooh, boots.
Boats.
They're like model boots.
Yeah, they're not, though.
Oh,
Oh, there's a ring.
Yeah, it's called a life belt. It floats and you can hold on to it if you fall in the water.
Oh, it's round, isn't it?
oh, a man.
Oh, man.
Yeah, he owned one of the boats.
Oh, I bet it's that one.
Yeah.
Ooh. He's getting ready to go.
There's another one. Look, another round
life
life
belt.
belt.
Oh, I know what that is. It's a life jacket.
Oh, very good, Dogsby.
Thank you.
What's it for?
Well, that floats as well, so if he falls in, he'll float too.
That's right. A nice, neat bow at the front.
Oh, we're nearly ready to leave.
Ooh.
Oh,
And
off we go.
honk. Bye.
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 Okie dokie, diddly pokey. Ready for your first question?
Oh, yes. Aye, skipper.
Standing by.
The first question is, what shape was this life belt? Dogsby?
Oh, is it square? That's tricky.
No, I think it's round.
Okie diddly pokey. What's your answer? Is it square, round, or some other shape?
It's not, I thought it was all round like that.
And the answer is, it's round.
Hey, easy cheesy.
Oh, dear, Dogsby.
So, a shiny for Tiggs.
Yeah! Oh, it's me. I'm going to have a super shiny ball. There you go, ball.
First point to Tiggs. And if you got it right,
Give yourself a
shiny!
No, keep it up, Mukka.
I will. Don't worry. Right. Next question. What did the man put on to keep himself safe on the water?
Oh, yes, welly boots. Yeah, special sort of floaty welly boots.
Oh, no. I think he put on a jacket. A life jacket.
And your turn. What did the man put on?
A jacket.
Yes, I remember.
It'll get a
He
bit
put
wet
it
though,
over
wouldn't
his
it?
head.
The man put on a life jacket!
Whoa!
Yeah!
Ooh, a shiny for me. Yes. Ooh.
And if you got the answer right out there, Give yourself a shiny! Right, and how do we find out the score? Count your shinies more and more. That's the way to find the score.
I've got 1. 1.
I've got 1. I've got 1 as well. Oh. 1.
Woohoo! Right, we're going on a boat trip. Ho ho, shipmates.
What? Where? How?
Right here. This is the good ship Mukka Splashy.
Oh, good. Oh, we need a lifebelt.
Oh, right, okay, and this'll do.
Oh, yeah, that's good, Mukka. Yeah, bringing just the 1 lifebelt.
Yes, what about us?
Yes.
What if we fall in?
Well, you can do doggy paddle.
Oh, I want a lifebelt or I'm not coming.
Oh, hold on a minute, doggers. What about... Oh, it's under here. These armbands.
Those are fantastic.
Yeah.
Oh,
There you go.
thanks, Tiggs.
Actually, I think they'd be good for me because they go with my fur. Yes. I like
Yeah,
that.
they're great, Tiggs. And now we're nice and safe. If we fall in, we can just splash, 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 splash.
What about me?
Oh, hold on a minute. Yeah, that'll do. What about this?
I can't use that.
Well, you could have something to eat while you're sinking.
Oh, well, I've got
Oh, right.
this.
Oh, I want the floaty world thing.
No, paws off, it's mine.
No, you can have the armbands back.
No, I don't want the armbands. I want the floaty world.
Oh, no, we'll sail later. Time for round 2. Zap! God, here I am on the back of the boat, going out to sea. Yay!
Oh, look, another boat. It's a sailing boat.
There's the man in his life jacket.
Oh, that's the steering wheel.
Oh, what's that pointy thing?
You'll see.
Oh, it's fallen off.
No, that's the anchor.
Oh, but it's fallen in the water.
Oh, it's all right. It digs into the seabed and stops the boat from moving.
Oh,
Well, what's he doing now?
it's very fiddly.
He's going to fish.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Once I caught a fish alive.
Right, ready for the next question?
I'm having the floaty world.
I am.
No, I am.
I
I've
am.
got it.
No, I'm
having
mine,
it.
mine,
Oh.
mine.
Thank you. The question is, the man dropped the anchor over the side of the boat. Why?
Oh, well, I think he just didn't like the anchor and he wanted to throw it away. Splash!
No, I think the anchor is to stop the boat from floating away. It's heavy, so it stays on the seabed.
And what about you? Why do you think the man dropped the anchor over the side of the boat?
I want to. I haven't met.
No, mine, mine.
He did it to stop the boat from floating away.
Oh, smelly cheese!
Well done, Hat.
And if you said the anchor was to stop the boat floating away, give yourself a shiny! Okie dokie diddly pokey. Can you use your eyes for looking to spot the difference? Zap! Have a look at these 2 fish. Can you spot the difference?
I think the fish at the bottom is bigger.
I think one fish is laughing and the other one isn't.
And what about you? What do you think's the difference?
The fish laugh.
Yes.
I've never heard a laughing fish.
No.
And the answer is the fish at the bottom is
Yeah?
bigger.
Ow! Easy, fishy, cheesy!
Never mind, Dogsby.
And if you got it right, Give yourself a shiny. And now, what's it time to do?
Count your shinies more and more. That's the way to find the star.
Ooh, 1, 2, 2.
Oh, and I've got 1, 2. Oh, still, yes. I've got 2.
Well, both got the same score here. Hope you're getting on all right at home. Boat time!
Oh, I'm going to go get the floaty world.
No, I am.
No,
No, it's mine. Get up.
Right, all aboard the Mukka Splashy. Boat ready to sail.
Oh, passengers ready to go, Captain.
Ha. Safety check, Teeks.
Safe floaty world, oh, Captain.
Dogsby.
Oh yes, safe armbands, I suppose.
Captain.
Captain.
Thank you. Right, me? Yes. Let's go!
Whoosh.
Is that the wind, Tiggs?
No, it's the sea.
right.
Smell that sea air. Whoosh.
Squawk, squawk,
Whoosh.
squawk.
Beg your pardon?
I'm just a passing seagull.
Oh.
What's the matter, Tiggs?
Oh, I'm so sick. Oh.
It's only a pretend boat, Tiggs.
Oh, it's just the thought of it.
Oh dear.
Oh, I think I'm going to be sick.
Not in there!
Oh, be sick over the side.
No, he'll make a mess of the carpet.
Oh, tell you what. Have a sniff of Mr. Cheese.
Oh.
There. Feeling better?
Oh, yes, much better.
Good. Back in your seats. It's round 3. Zap. Seagulls. They're catching fish out of the sea.
Oh, he's got one.
Now he's fishing as well.
He hasn't caught anything, though.
Oh, I think he has now.
Yeah, the rod's gone all bendy.
Oh, he's winding them in.
Oh.
Fish!
Oh, wriggly and shiny.
Yeah, they're called mackerel.
Oh.
Fish is in a bucket.
Oh, we're putting up the anchor.
Oh, must be time to go home.
And it's dinner time for the seagulls. Splosh! Right, first question about the man and the fish.
Yeah.
What does the man use to catch the fish?
A net, I think. That's what I use. Or my hat. Oh, no. You'd get all wet.
Oh, no. I don't think so. Do you, Floaty World? No. I think he used a rod. A fishing rod.
And what do you think? What does the man use to fish with?
I don't think it was a hat or anything. I think it was a rod.
And the answer is... a fishing rod!
Oh, yes! Super Floaty World!
Oh, glum.
Now, you join in with us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Once I caught a fish alive.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Then I let it go again.
Why did you let it go?
Because it bit my finger so.
Which finger did it bite?
This little finger on my right. Oh.
Yay! And if you said fishing rod,
Give
yourself a shiny! Right, last question coming up.
No!
Who else in that video likes to catch fish?
Oh, I didn't see anyone else. It's a trick question. I say nobody.
Tiggs?
Well, I think the seagulls like catching fish.
And what do you think? Who else likes catching fish?
Seagulls.
I have to admit, I think you're right.
Seagulls.
And the answer is... seagulls!
Yay! Cheese and onion! Off just one word.
Ah, shiny
got it
for
right.
tick.
Give yourself a
shiny.
Oh no,
Oh,
Mama,
Tiggs,
30
put
words.
it
Oh,
down.
I can't, it's got,
And now, for the last time today, it's...
Count your shinies more and more. That's the way to find the star.
I've got 1, 2, 2.
Oh, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4.
So, the winner is... Tig!
Oh, well done, Tiggs.
Oh, thank you very much. Hooray!
And you get the super shiny! And you're the winner too if you got 4, 5 or even 6 questions right. So, give yourself a super shiny!
Breakfast, lunch, tea and dinner. You're the one who is the winner.
And if you won like Tiggs,
Give yourself a pat on the front. A pat on the front. A pat on the front. Give yourself a pat on the front. You won, you won, you won.
and Dogsby tried,
I did.
Give yourself a pat on the side. A pat on the side. A pat on the side. Give yourself a pat on the side. You tried, you tried, you tried.
all right, let's catch fish.
Oh, let's catch fish. Right.
Oh, I've got one.
I've got one too.
Oh, I can't seem to catch any.
Oh, well, let me try.
I got one.
Yeah, I've got one as well.
Oh, no. Oh, here comes a big wave.
Oh, no, it's going to knock the boat out. I've got the rubber ring so I float. Swim,
I've got
swim.
the floaty world. Swim, swim.
I'm not very good.
Swim.
I've got the armbands.
We've made it! It's the end of the show!
Oh, no. Let's see the real boat again.
Yeah, and don't forget, come back and play the Shiny Show with us again!
Yeah.
Oh, life jacket.
Well done, Tiggs. Life belt.
It's round, isn't it? Yes.
That's the fishing boat.